All right. Big up on yourself, people. Welcome again. MG Sports here with Knockins. Big up yourself. What go on?
With them, bro. With
them, man.
Blast is here, so we're there for talk about Jamaica football.
All right. So you don't know, say, when I listen to the 1 minute man feature. Yeah. The 5 talking points I'm going to discuss is Waterhouse versus Arnett. Touch on the youngster who is a great star right now, Kaheim Dixon, the U20 camp start.
The fans at the stadium.
Yeah, next one.
Plus, we have to go back to the big bad final.
Yeah.
Cavalier versus Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, so we could start off first of all with Waterhouse versus Arnett. Let's go. Match done 5-1. You expected the scoreline there?
Before we even go to the scoreline, can Javine finish a match right now?
Ooh.
So many match, last 3 match in play.
You feel like I'm go at him?
That, and I think that he's just injured and they're trying to play him. They're playing him on an injury. That's all I can say.
Me not gonna dispute that. Me not gonna dispute that. Because the evidence how I see it look like say him even go up on it. Because you look him strap up. The last 4 games I was him well strap up in knee, in thigh, in shoulder, everything.
Every time I'm surprised people, I'm always I tell the people them same out this week and pop up. I guess you know what the defender them for go and study movement.
Yeah.
You know, so you can
but look on Parker Blacks. Remember I say no, we see Parker Blacks go down now and game, you know. And then we see my command. Them physics them must extremely good. Man. Yeah, me have some aches and pains relative to age. Yeah.
But back to the game though. 5-1 as you say.
Big score.
Kaheim Dixon masterclass. We did call for it.
But we say he's a clutch player. Clutch player, and you see glimpses, moments, and you know, funny enough, man, dash some big chance, you know, in some previous games, you know. But
and even in that match, him did dash 1 and 2 chances.
Yeah, but this time, I tell you, he really stepped on Waterhouse. He really stepped on Waterhouse. I mean, I was very impressed with the performance overall. In just a flow, in just everything that's come natural to him. He come like he never think. Just doing body I tell himself to do and just carry the motion upon the field. And it look good.
What level do you think Kaheim is at right now?
Ooh.
And what level do you think he can become?
I think he can go really far in that game. I really believe he can.
Premier League player right there.
He can go to that level. He can. Me I tell you he can. I feel like he can. Yeah man. Somebody, yeah. He can. But where is that right now? I have to move him urgently. I have to take him out urgently.
You know another one that although we want to talk about Kaheim a little bit more, because I know we want to talk about Kaheim. But we have Devontae Campbell.
Yeah.
Similar build, similar everything, playing on the left wing now. What do you think?
Quick! Fast!
It's not just him being quick. He's there for them. He got the 2 goals to lead them into the final.
And then 9 finals and come score 2.
He was the one
to
unlock the defense.
Yeah, you can see that him mature. I think he's matured. What a lot of persons don't know. He went away to Charlton Athletic on a trial thing, you know.
Yes.
So maybe
I remember seeing that for true.
Yeah, maybe never really necessarily work out as all them please, but I think the experience when Gogo gained from that, I think you have seen somebody right now a display. And imagine if say hypothetically we speak, him never make the trials, and he's coming and doing that. Imagine them the players there. Oh, I hear them. Cheese. Yeah, just go for sure. It's the level.
We had whole heap of levels to step up, you know. So we had whole heap of people from the national team representing yesterday. We had Johan Blake, we had Bowser, Shamar Nichols. So that was good to see those players out there. And being amongst the fan car bleachers, I see some of them too. Yeah, and there's so many other players, but I can't even remember calling them out right now. But as you say, under 20, are you want about Kaheim?
No, I don't want to move from Kaheim yet. All right, yeah. So when I realize the Kaheim is like the bigger the game, the more you see him. The bigger the game, the more you see him. And all of the older folks when I talk to, them keep on and say, you remind them of Blacker Pearl. Then that is what they keep everywhere because the bigger older folks, the older folks that's what they keep on and say. Me young. So I can't profess them in no Blacker Pearl.
That's what I just about to say. I don't know nothing about no Blacker Pearl.
Just a little clips them and something. So And the feel when me get me not gonna say probably is the same.
Yeah.
You gotta have people like me who want to say, boy, maybe not, me not think so.
Because you're actually watching this player, you watch highlights of the other player.
Exactly. You know, see him live.
Put couple of Kaheim highlights together.
Maybe, yeah. But I think that's how me have to go with the judgment of the older folks. Then. These are persons who have watched Black Pearl and said, yo, then like how him look, and then they come and see Kaheim and say, no man, this youth I played just like Black Pearl. I see him with every little thing.
That one you're golden.
The thing when me see him do, the drag thing.
Whisper like. Everybody I think, says whisper.
I think somebody.
Whisper. Are a blacker he come from?
Me don't know. But somebody know one group.
Blacker give whisper and Kaheim.
Well, but he roll bad. What they call it? Roll.
Everybody.
No, WhatsApp group. Someone bridge him and say, boy, they call it roll fake. Like more kicky and just roll it and then clap it. Yeah, man. It catch you off guard, man.
It will catch you.
Them not see the water defend them man like he go for go.
No, man, see him go stand
and he roll it.
Two of them him roll.
Yeah,
no,
man.
one him chop and the next one him roll.
Yeah. No, one of them him chop, one of them want goal them.
The first one him chop, the second one him roll.
Man, me saying roll him after me see my
Not just the goals them though, but overall play.
Overall performance.
Him assist.
Yeah.
Continue to play because he could have carried on.
He work ethics as well. Work really hard off the ball.
Really hard.
And the threat level, because each time the ball go down inside, they can hear the crowd start raise up.
No, them just know that they have a star player right there. So you anticipate anything.
Something not gonna happen.
Even if he must on him bad day, because we have watched Kaheim already in the past and we see when him have a
bad day, yeah.
And it still takes you off your feet.
Yeah,
because
man.
you anticipate, because you
something
know
not gonna happen.
You can get something.
And they call him kind of play like a mercurial type of player, you know. Something, anything gonna happen. Yeah, man. That's a
you never know.
Yeah, man. So
you can't leave him alone.
Yeah, mad.
When Salah been bad days, Salah been having like 5 weeks straight bad day.
And of course, he man do something.
You can't leave him alone same way.
But definitely. We can move on now.
The under 20 camp now.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
All right, so
love youth football more than anybody.
So the thing is, you know, I'm glad for you know the U20 camp start back. Something highly anticipated. The U20 tournament is coming up in I think at June month 10, between June July month 10. And I think me want to take a trip, but me don't have a pocket can make it.
Where is
Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them want to go close to no, probably I'll book in a same hotel with them there. Some of them close to them, so you know, say easy to move around with them rather than have to book somewhere far and I travel to and from. So easier to move around with them and probably do like a media coverage when we can and when we can. It depends on the pocket still.
That would be excellent.
The mind.
When you say it again for the viewers?
I think in July.
After Copa.
No man, me just confirm it.
It seems to be after Copa because Copa no 1 month. 1 month and liquor change now 1 month.
Yeah, but
I supposed to be.
But simultaneously things are going on now.
Well, that's a true beer.
That now U20.
Beer equation. People. Simultaneous equation. X equal Y equal.
Yeah, 19th of July to 4th of August. So basically 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. Yeah, man.
It's after Copa.
When Copa start?
No, June 6th.
June 6th? No, our World Cup qualifiers start June 6th. Yeah.
When is Copa? Oh, Copa, I think I in July for true.
Copa.
No, in June.
Copa America.
Make us see here.
21st of June to 15th of July. Same time it one of my play. Bounty Killer started that rough, you know.
That rough on you for real.
Jeez, that rough.
I want you that rough part.
You
want to cover both things. Go
All right.
to you them proper, man. Go on to Mexico.
Boy, heart willing be pocket a cry.
Aye, well, you never know because we see I go buy me a coffee. I go start use to buy me a coffee for knockings.
Yeah, man, but use it, man.
So make sure to buy MG a coffee.
Make us see if we can put up enough money for make the trip there.
Go to Mexico.
Hopefully.
Nobody not covering that. MG wants to cover.
Yeah. So hopefully.
So help him. Buy him a coffee.
Yeah. So it's a good look, but definitely make glad the fact that the team back in camp now. You know, normally this team is a team that has been them have worked together. So you know,
the players, man, the people don't want to know about the players.
But the players, them,
yeah,
no, you are the problem with that.
Keep the players.
You are the problem with that. No, John Wall was in. Was the head coach for the U20, right? What happened is that John Wall stepped down. And basically, them same step down. But now, mind you, I think in some sense fire, but him step down. I don't think we're going to see the same players then. We're likely to see some of my players them. Because in recent time, CM issues now with Phoenix, so we don't know if it was about the Phoenix players them as well.
Yeah.
But we know a few of the names them who we still likely to see like the Adrian Reed, I hope we see like Kobe Thomas from Inter Miami, the youth them, Romain Blake, all the youth them were a part of the squad, previous part of the squad, what played the championship, with some extra addition if we can add in some extra quality. But I would love to see back Kobe Thomas and Jamani Bell, these two players that I'm really back want to see about them. I think them are really, really top quality.
Alright, dear.
Yeah.
Alright, so anything else you want to add on to the
for the U20 still, I think hopefully there's some level of coverage going on soon. I'm thinking before the camp them leave. So I hope we probably can get to see something happen. But nothing solid right now. I just regular training start back.
They really need you for go over there for all you to stream the match them too.
No man, I can't cover it, man.
Alright.
Yeah, can't cover
so
it, man.
So definitely can see it on YouTube then.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be available
hopefully,
on YouTube.
Hopefully,
yeah.
I know that go already. So straight to it though, fans at the stadium.
Yeah, this
As
a
we
big
talk
talking.
We just talk about the youth level and see how we are deal with youth football now. So we could talk about the Reggae Boyz now. We realize what going on. Anytime the Reggae Boyz them are playing a match, I look for the fans and I can't see the fans. Them. Where are you? Talk to me.
No.
Who can drown out on the seat to cover the match? Tell me what we need to tell them for making them come out.
Apparently, the Jamaica Premier League set the template of what to do, incorporating entertainment into the football. No, the halftime show they will do. Even though it kind of go overboard with time. Half hour time show. even though it's slightly go overboard. I do believe same way that a lot of people come out for it. Yeah, man.
It's most definitely because people like artists, even though whenever I keep partying.
Niji and Nick.
You want to see him, but him can't see you.
But funny enough, the man that get the biggest pull-up, he couldn't get to see the pull-up. Yeah, he couldn't get to see the pull-up.
But him hear him know.
Yeah, man, he hear what go on.
People cheer and them
imagine
votes.
Imagine you hear some cricketer chirp, I hear you drum roll. But him really the entertainment sector that I enjoy. I'm not even a dancehall person. I like the vibe, I like the environment, like everything.
I'm a dancehall person, man, and I did enjoy it most definitely. But I was wondering if the players enjoyed it because the players them did look frustrated out there. They were like watching, like them come out and.
Maybe
still that good.
Yeah,
that's something I still never look
like. You have to understand the players.
This is not wrap up. You
have to understand the players. They are solely focused on the game.
That is true.
And also, you have to remember, say, the truth is, the final is about the players.
Don't it them feel that way?
I don't know if them feel that way.
Them was for the
yeah. No.
Performance.
No, the goals them get some big cheers, man.
No, the goals them did get big cheer. But I just remember the penalty shootout.
Yeah, man. All right. That's it.
So my boy they choke on the penalty.
Yeah.
Well done.
So really, so basically, the only what we can say in that is that I think the entertainment factor you have to incorporate that to get the fans them on. The halftime show, whole heap of marketing going on, whole heap of publication going on. What the JPL did, the PFGL did, they incorporate the vloggers. Say really and truly.
Yeah.
You have.
Thank you.
Big up yourself, Dougie and Co. Big up on yourself.
Everybody
big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
You don't know.
What they did was from the start of the season, and me and Dougie talk about it. They say you are going. So the vloggers they play a key role in keeping people in currently what's going on. Make them know say this are going, that are going, up to date, rare. Ticket giveaway, keep the fans them entertained right through the season. Once they keep them constantly, I think about it. What's happening next? You have them lucky in.
Don't it?
And then now, because really and truly now, when you see something published in the Observer or the Glen, I'm not slating them,
The day after, slow news.
Yeah, so
slow news.
yeah, but
by the time you type and print that and whatever.
Yeah, what people, the vloggers them do 3 videos, 2 live, whole pass something, one IG live, one YouTube live.
Only if it's that major, it will come in the Gleaner.
Right away.
Just know, say the Gleaner just highlights the major stuff.
So and then now, on TVJ, you get one 2 2-minute section where a sports them a cover and bloom done this so. Then now when you know so we run a live show, we interact with the fans them, hear with fans them, they are the game them, I chat with people, them something. So that's one of the key role where them they did. They say, you know what? The persons who interact closer with the fans, they are the bridge between the fans and the games.
I believe so too, because even it's not just in Jamaica, you know, that's why hats off to Dougie and the team.
CONCACAF. Alright, so CONCACAF is using Cecil.
That's what, okay, go on.
Cecil for AFTV, you know Cecil for AFTV, right?
Yeah.
Him CONCACAF use to do the media coverage, you know, like go out and interview people and kind of something there. Why CONCACAF never use one media personnel, one other TV personnel. Use somebody when you know say the fans are interact with, laughable, and fans can go and have a discussion.
Why can't you use Cecil and Cecil the way of England?
Exactly.
That's a joke thing.
And a joke thing.
You can't talk to people like that.
No, me can't talk to people.
No, you can't talk to people. Stop it, man.
But at the end of the day, you see the direction where them are going to notice. Even don't be surprised if you see these things in a World Cup where they might use the vloggers and the persons them who cover the leagues for social media and the social media space push them and say, you know what, you guys are the bridge between the players, the supporters, and coming to the game. Make it entertaining, and definitely people will come because they will come them and say, yo, something has happened, something's going on, and me have to give them credit for that because them see the vision, them see it from a long time, and say, you know what, they could crack on with it. And definitely, also, as I said, the marketing part of it, it's a big part of it. I have to give credit to even Stream as well, because Stream play a big role in it as well. They play a big role. So, all this something.
Yourself, Stream.
Yeah, man, so everybody play a role. Everybody play a role. So, this is something where the JFF know have to say, all right, that is the template. If we can jump on it. When I check it out now, the Reggae Boyz have a bigger space for vloggers than the Premier League. The Premier League, let me tell you who cover the Premier League. There's about 4 of us from the start of the season. You have me, Unseen, JPL fans, Yardi Sport, Manning's Man, Sports Latte. Who else? What did they?
Boy,
they have a new page.
This brother always get in trouble. Him start list out people or them something.
No man, no, the thing is
no, if a man not get irritated because no, them are gonna pre
no man,
blast and MG. Don't pre blast.
Alright, no man, but me have to give them credit, man. More and give them credit, man. Me have to give them credit.
MG is a good person, but
I have to give them credit because
I credit him again. If you never hear your name, it's just because MG brain not
yeah,
right
man.
here
There's
worse not right here because him call all names.
There's something jump starter. So I think I never some star.
Kickstart name.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Yes, see there, I'm all even follow it too.
All right, and I reset. Me see about 2 clips.
No, him do.
Me see about 2 clips.
Interview. Me not do the player interview with them.
No, 2 clips alone. Me see for them. Me not see much. So
him do some players interview.
I think that's some. Me don't know what me do any. Somebody that show me it. Or someone that show me it.
Like what me would do with Martin, him did do something.
Oh, yeah.
But my video them more, you know.
Longer.
Yeah.
Me don't know.
No longer like my video them in terms of like whenever they just talk about anything current. Me just do one for like a background and come on.
Okay, like a story, like a yeah. Me understand that. But there's quite a few. But me love the fact that there's more persons coming on because me I tell you the truth, brother. Me not like a year or 2 years ago. Me Unseen and Manning's Man. Me Unseen and 3 away. I guard the game them, I do the coverage and something. So me glad say we'll have whole more. Me can tell it, me can guarantee you say 2 to 3 more years from now, space I go pack.
Yeah.
That more and say, yeah man, you gonna have 10, 15 bloggers, man.
That's nice.
Which means you're gonna have more interactions, more people. So me
and that would bring out more fans.
Yes man. That me like that. So big up on yourself, Dougie. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Chris Williams. Big up on yourself, Owen Hill. For a long time, eh? No, there's one specific person. It was not a person. They're now working the PF jail already. They're now working the PF jail, but he's now working the PF jail now. But when he was here, I tell you, say, really understandable person we can work with and can talk to, Marshall Turner. You're not gonna know him, but the man they put in whole heap of work. And as well. So, big up on yourself every time. And who me
Let's
forget?
move on.
Anybody don't forget, big up on yourself.
Moving on, because MG all
Alright.
people free, man, and not even know that.
last talking point. Final.
Cavaliers
Yeah.
versus Mount Pleasant, the super final. The final where people them say them did that tired for Situ because them see it last year and yada 1 and 2. But see, the first place never win though. First place never win. Talk with you that much there.
All right. So first of all, I thought just going to the game, makes it two teams they're nervous. They're nervous. They're nervous. They're nervous. You can't see from the warm up. They're
Especially
nervous.
after watching the third place match.
Yeah.
You know, me ain't been talk about that second when they realize what is going to
What is
happen.
at stake? It's a rat in the serious, you know.
Waterhouse just go out and collect 5 like you never understand what.
They don't pick up. They never see. Everybody get a memo. They don't get a memo. But boy, I say go. Yeah. So and then now, let me tell you when the nervousness kick. Let me tell you nervousness kick in. So when the referee blow whistle and he pass off the ball, Cavaliers gonna look a corner. Mount Pleasant gonna look a corner. Like they must say blow and skirt. Can't concede no goal, you know. You better not concede no goal. So come now end up with such a cagey game. Cagey game. As much as 1 and 2 chances create and shot go off a goal. But if you look on it, I don't think per team 10 shots kick. If you just flash it back in the head, think about it, man.
No, man, Cavaliers kick more than 10.
You think so?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Run trade and you will see.
Busy kick. How much busy kick?
All right. Run the trade. Busy was dangerous, you know. Busy was
Why
dangerous.
no one
And a busy alone kick most of the shot. Say busy kick.
That's
Say
why I
busy.
think about it.
Say busy kick 3. Jalmar kick 2. And probably Shaniel kick 1, 2. 7 that, you know. Who else there you can flash in the head to kick 1? Other than the one the King score. You know, goal, that a goal. Yeah.
But for real.
Game cage, man.
That's something I look on. Alright. The ball didn't stay on the pitch for too long. I am thinking 2 reasons. Either them style of play, which is true.
That of who? Cavalier?
Both of the sides.
But team, I think Mount Pleasant try play it wrong.
But they
No,
still
but based off
picked
our
it
nature
up.
game.
Exactly. That
You
is
know, the
style of
finals
play.
normally the ugliest games, them.
That is true. But hold on now, the style of play, which is, as they said, the nature of the game, so that take into factor of that. And then the second thing now, the pitch.
All right. Let me give a perfect example.
The pitch.
Go and watch back.
You see when
the pitch. Yeah.
I see more Pleasant to try pass out from back, you know. But when I realize, say, boy,
The ball a bubble up. You see ball a bubble up?
Yes.
Why?
Yeah, but
Me and it.
from afar.
Let me
from
glass it,
afar.
Let me glass
Make him
it.
see.
I have to go wear it.
From afar.
Don't the gas on it.
Yes, you know, in a 12K.
So probably, yeah. So I must see 12K, I mean I see 2D.
But I tell you, from afar, it look alright. You know, but the nearer you go to
Yeah, you realize, yeah.
the quality of the pitch is still lacking. Still lacking. You can improve because you know, see the. Alright, you never see when them pass the ball across the pitch. You never did a bubble out to you at all.
In some sense, but what I was told is that they are commissioning kick before, the day before.
Right, that's evident. You don't see the markings. You see 2 goals in a goal. You see 2 goals in a 1 goal start. Oh,
but that never looked good. But anyways, back on the game, I think it was a cage game, and as you know, I may expect what I see. Me nah lie still. When Mount Pleasant score now, enough people are say, boy, gone, you know. Gone, no.
Yes,
and
but Cavaliers
reply.
responded so quickly.
Well, you think if you not gonna do the people the goal, the goal you can see?
Of course, definitely, and I won't hide. Devante, although you know some rating and everything, you never kick the ball so well.
In fluffy shot, man.
You're fluff because the technique you was trying. That's why, but it ended up work.
But if me can fluff,
do better.
You know which one my fluff shot then go?
Yeah.
If I make it,
the ball end up kick him.
if I make it the fluff shot, then I can't tell the ball kick me as I say. Ball kick me. I'm there for me back. And the ball probably the same place I look for me. so if him can't fluff a shot and he go in a goal, just imagine it level when they between me and goal but way better me than man. I say me best striker in Jamaica.
Back to what I was saying. We can't be Spanish. More money.
Yeah.
But back to the game.
Quick reply from King.
Yeah,
Quick reply from King.
Quick.
Solid too.
But after that, what do you think about the match?
You see, after equalize.
Just dead. Nobody know move.
Match done. Man, say, you're mad. Nah, like
some kick about like two pass, boom in the ear. Nobody there lose them shape.
Nobody, you're mad.
And
then it get worse. Extra time. Jesus, please, extra time. No, like man say, you volleyball. You volleyball. You take it back.
That was one of the worst match I've watched for real.
Me enjoy the game. Me enjoy the game. But if you want to look too much into it, you will say, boy, you never like, because remember, people got a game because the goals, But guess, understand, say, a trophy, that's it now,
That is true. So everybody going the game with the KG.
The World Cup finals also what they Argentina and France. We don't see about nothing like that now, no goal is going. Yeah, we don't see about nothing like that again.
We'll probably see a semi-final like that, but a final is not
one love, 2-1 and then something like that. KG. And don't expect to see no pretty football.
Don't.
Because, think about it, how much game is done? 4-4. The World Cup final, 4-4, right?
Yeah.
If you think about it, that's a horrible effect. A 4-4 or 3-3.
I just think that the attack was so beautiful.
That means the defense was crap then.
No, the attack was beautiful.
That means the defense was crap.
In defense, from a group.
You can concede. You can concede 2 goals,
Attack versus defense in a training. Who always win? MG?
Attack.
All right.
But that one time the defense just decided to give up.
No. Then, all right. If you attack the person, I call even 25. Say for instance, 25 attacks and I score 4 outside. That's not a bad defense. That's not a bad defense right there.
Fair enough.
That's not a bad defense.
Fair enough.
I cannot even tell you that attack is poor then. Think about that.
In context.
Think about that too.
That's true.
Like that.
But boy, I like still 1-0, 1-1. Me expect that. Me expect that. So I not go say no. I think me enjoy the game as well.
So who stand out for you?
In the final, Devante stand out for the final. Yeah. So the first game was Kaheim. Second game, Devante and busy.
Yes.
Busy. Jeez.
But mostly Devante.
No man, me I say mostly busy.
You know what I'm saying? I got Devante.
Me I say mostly busy. You're going.
I got Devante.
Me go. One if it's sure.
Yeah man, them can see. Or we can. Let me hold it out whatever. Let's see if we can make them see.
You are going to know people.
Alright.
Me I sure no go on. So this is Mount Pleasant, right? This is a Cavalier. See the man here? This is a man key to Mount Pleasant success. Sole Makala. Him are the key to Mount Pleasant success in any big game. Now, Devante Campbell play on the left hand side, right? This is what happened. This is Devante Campbell. Devante Campbell want to go down the line.
But that's him instruction.
That's an instruction.
You know, say that me and John did a talk about.
But you know a sole instruction? Relieve. Cut inside and come inside in the central area.
Another midfielder.
Go and come a second midfielder. But you are a problem now. Yeah. You are the problem now. Right round and become vacant. So every time Devante come up, can occupy yourself. Yeah. Cavaliers lit it nice space or so.
Yeah, because it's so big.
That's it about the long ball him.
But
don't everything.
Don't look back. When you look back, you can see him defensive effort.
Yeah, man. No, yeah, but that's I get winded. You know to say he might blow heavy. No, this is my key players, Mr. Sil, was busy for them. Calvin, what the striker? The number 7 striker. This is all a few movement them here. Jalmara Calvin. Them have a few movement. And Chenil, I go straight down in middle. Yeah man, he good man. Go straight down in middle. So them a try occupy all the defender here. So whilst they isolate this a defender here, right back, that a go in Austin with busy. That me see as a tactic. Midfield vacant for Cavaliers. Cavaliers never necessarily want to play in the midfield now. The change now when Mount Pleasant goes so boom, pull Demario Phillips. He pull Demario Phillips right here so and put on Tevin Scott.
He was upset.
Yeah, he upset.
When but, come off. But Tappa, that's okay. We spoke to Tappa and Tappa love when
yeah, because they want to stabilize the midfield now. Because Cavaliers give up the midfield. They say, you are going. Since you give it up, we want to use it as our advantage.
What kind of player do you think? Like a pause. What kind of player do you think Demario Phillips is?
I think he's more for number 8. I think he's more for number 8, a box to box. I think Demario is more for number 8, a box to box.
You don't think he can sit in front of the defense?
No. Him not have that.
You think he more playmaker? No, him just have more running.
more running.
More running.
Him not have the discipline there. Him not have the discipline. Once him up on the pitch, in the right so. Same the right so. I go there so, I there so, I there so, I there so. Can't afford that. That is the reason why when I first played them pull. Because they want. That's why I put on another man who can sit. Tevin Scott beside Daxley.
All of them places right
Exactly. Because them two wing back area become vacant.
Exactly.
And you want to know if them man get beaten, then two man can come cover. So
that's probably not the right decision to play them already right there then.
That's why I tell us Speid smart. When Speid realized Mount Pleasant stabilize the midfield with the two of them. You know Speid though? So you are going. I got other runner in midfield. So pull Cadet. Pull Cadet who's a stabilizer. Pull Cadet because he want to become the runner now in midfield. Pull Cadet and put on Dwayne Allen. And I write this up. That change the game. That change it. Yeah man, you good man. Okay. That change really change the game. When time Speid pull Cadet and put on Dwayne Allen. Because Mount Pleasant pull Demar Phillips, adding Tevin Scott, stabilize the midfield. So Speid say, you know what? Since you know I have two man who go stand, I'm going to have an extra runner. Because then two man go stand, it means that it's go harder if you go down the middle. So I guess you know, bring in an extra runner, if one of them man, if you pull out of them position, if you pick up the man there. Because Demar Allen, I go down the middle as well. So them look at areas that say what they say no Speid win it. Because Speid backline now, one of the best backline in the league, you know. The Leng, the King, the Mink, and Irv got a man there.
That's why he can play in three like that.
Yes. Then now Ian Zerrett quick.
Exactly.
So Speid can use more of a pace versus Mount Pleasant team. Mount Pleasant because they don't really have much pace in that team. The fastest player, Devante, who else playing fast? I don't really have much fast player.
And my boy, they quick to walk over around, but you don't like him as somebody for sit.
Who that?
My boy, when him there in the middle of the pitch, him seem very quick.
Phillips. In cover ground, no, but the problem is, you know, it's not just cover ground. It's cover the center of the park. You have to be it's not positionally disciplined. You know, positional discipline. Because Mount Pleasant want to control the center.
If you can avoid going there, prevention always better than
Thank you. Exactly.
So if you can prevent it by positioning,
exactly. And the runner, I say something that Shanila make, I go straight down in line, and then Jalmara go diagonal, so diagonal road. Isolate Austin with busy, and then no.
Terrible, you know.
So you are going now. It's in 70 minutes in the game go forward after Mount Pleasant equalize. So they make that drop back in the left back and nobody move again.
Okay.
That mash them up. You know why that mash them up? Because they don't play like that. Exactly. They don't play like that. Then used to have Sole Makala come in midfield, come relieve this person, relieve that, and then don't get that again. Yeah. So I think it was a good tactical game between both teams. I'm probably looking into that deep and probably not like that no go and do some man a kick up ball here and run up and down.
We're there and we are doing the right thing. I'm sure some people want to see how look and analyze the game right now. And probably we can bring this back again and let them see the board again. Go back on the board. No.
Oh, next time. Yeah. Me go see next time. Yeah. Me go see next time. Next time we do that. Can do it for some of the Reggae Boyz game then.
Definitely.
Because can me know say right now Algrim's gonna take some of the tactics, you know. Kick and run. Kick and run down.
Definitely we're going to hear back. What we're talking about next time we'll definitely talk about some Reggae Boyz.
Yeah man. Because by them it's not gonna come out. By then the squad is supposed to come out.
We talk about the squad.
Yeah, so
we'll here quicker than I think again we talk about the squad.
Yeah man. So you are going.
Talk about the squad. I hear what the people them are saying in the comments.
Alright.
So viewers don't know, you can leave in the comments for all the topic them about.
And all I foolish something I chat about a while ago, yeah?
We don't follow up everything because you know say MG will mad. So
alright, so big up on yourself, people. Knockins, big man blast. Big up yourself again, bro. Every time. People remember to go over the IG, YouTube. Yeah, make sure you support the thing. Massive respect. Every time, all the time. I'll see you guys again. Remember, share, and subscribe. And also buy us a coffee. If you can. No problem at all.
Make sure you drink the coffee.
Big up yourself, people. God bless. We're out. Boom.